So this is Cambodian money. I think they call it real. Okay, Hapinoy travelers, before anything else, we will need some local mula or local money. And their money is called Cambodian real. We will be putting in the exchange rate for both the dollars and the peso. Make sure to finish this video, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing and join us in our journey. So this is Cambodian money. I think they call it real. Real. So $100 is 400,000 real. Yayamanin. Ang isa is 50,000. Tama ba ako? 20,000. Ang isa is 20,000. Meron ding 50,000. Pero magkapareho itsura halos. Hindi. Magkaiba pala ng mukha. So this is 20, this is 50,000. So when you're in Cambodia, everything is by the hundreds of thousands.